So in this video we will see the graphical interface of planswift. So here is a symbol of planswift icon. When we will click it, we will see new option. We can create new file. We can create already existing file like open a job. From here you can print our planswift work. This is job properties. Reload job will refresh your already work job in a planswift. You can import jobs and templates in a planswift. You can close your job working. You can exit planswift by clicking exit. Next one is home page. In home, sorry, this planswift. Here is also an option of new, open a file, email job. You can email directly by clicking this one. This is a license option. So in this tab you will see Windows 11 remains unsupported for now, but planswift is working with Windows 11. This is an information tab where you can see that Windows 11 is unsupported for this planswift. There are some video tutorials. You can download the newest bit calendar now, which we will use in our BOQ. There are some video tutorials, training guides, user guides. Next one is the home page. When you will click home page, you will see a plan opened already as a default for our convenience. Here are some pages or bookmarks. You can, when you will work in a planswift, you can see takeoff summary, attachments, files, notes. This is all the details of a planswift, of a plan which is already present or loaded this default. Here are some searches, or you can directly go to click by clicking main view, page view, keyboard, isometric views, men's and women restrooms. So these are all the plan requirements which you can view directly by clicking them. For example, in this plan there are number of required rooms or details. When you have entered this kind of detail, you can easily get BOQ or estimation in a planswift. Next one is the page. Tools. In tools you can see rotate left, rotate right, flip vertically, horizontally. You can provide slopes, triangulate. You can convert PDF to TIF converter, zip. You can zip job, unzip, attached file to Excel job. You can open this in Excel, save in another. In here there are templates, parts, inputs, project name or details of project. Next one is the view option. In view you can show labels, hide labels, show digitizer items, hide digitizer items, show overlays, hide overlays, show dimensions, hide dimensions, show notes, hide markups. This all we will use when we will be doing estimation settings for them. Next one is the estimating. In estimating you can see estimating layouts, save layout, add layout. By default of this plan you can see exterior trim, exterior rock, exterior siding, restrooms, game room, offices, conference rooms, common rooms with their description, quantity, units, price and their location. Next one is in which you can see drag a column header to group by that column. So this is a by default, no data to display because no project is working here. Next one is the template. For this project you can select templates like color for floor areas. When you click floor areas, there is a different color of different parts of floor areas to indicate to find BOQ. Next one is the settings. In settings you can use data storage where you want to locate the files, journal, company, keyboard, keys, interface, zoom. When you will click journal, you will see automatically these settings: company settings, customer name, pin number, user number, affiliate ID, keyboard keys. Well, while working on planswift, interface, color, zoom, pan, annotations, graphics, takeoff tools, snapping, notifications, digitizer tablet, property groups, advanced, reports. Next one is report. In reports you can see a PDF is generated by planswift by all the items in a plan like exterior siding, exterior rock, common room, restroom, each and every detailing. Like first one is area, then count, then third one is the takeoff. So you can generate a report, you can export to Excel, export to CSV, export to XML, export to HTML, export to PDF, export to Excel template you can print. Next one is the help option. In help you can check automatic remote assistant, you can check for updates, you can use request feature. So there here is an option of activation, you can also activate from this option. In the last video we have seen it for activation. So next one is the plugins, manager tools, import plugin package, uninstall plugin, navigate, undo. So this is the main interface of planswift Pro Matrix 10.2 version. So this is the main interface of planswift. When you will select a plan, a window will be opened in front of you like default plan is set up already in this planswift. When you will click any part of this building, this will give features added in a planswift like area, its cost in the form of estimation, its each and detail level. These are the keyboard hotkeys and shortcut legends. For magnify, push and hold them on the wall to magnify. For menu, right click on any other page to get a menu of options. You can use plans to click hit and down or down, use the backspace button. Stop, escape, or hotkeys, bookmark section. So this is all from interface introduction video. We'll see our next video how to take off using planswift.